Today, I'm here to present Fastrash, a revolutionary app that we've been building for the Google Solution Challenge 2023 here at the Federal University of Technology, Owerri. So Fastrash is an app that aims to simplify the way we trash waste and do that using technology. So basically, there are three user types: users, collectors, and organizations. So due to the fact that users deal in small amount of waste that can't actually like trash to large organizations directly, we actually introduce the middleman, which is known as a collector. So collectors actually collect waste from the users, and then when it gets to some certain threshold, they can actually dispatch this waste to the organizations. So right in front of me, we have an Android device and also an iOS device. So here I'm going to be logging in a user account, and here I'm also going to be logging in a collector account. So for the users and collectors, they actually have a mobile app, and organizations have a web-facing platform where they can actually register. You have to sign them up on the back end and then give them credentials. So as you can see, this app is actually cross-platform. So that's because we use Flutter in developing the app. So I'm going to be logging in here as a user. So let me just input my password and then login. And also the other functionalities are working, like sign up, reset password, and the rest of them. But we can actually go into details testing them for this demo because we just want to focus on the main features of the app. So as a user, you have your education tab where you can actually look through some articles and blogs on things actually educating you about how waste is actually affecting the environment and how what you do can actually make the environment better. Yeah, and you also have your profile tab. You have your history where you actually see the transactions that you've made, like the alerts you've created, and then your home page where you can actually create an alert. So as a user, I'm just going to create an alert here. So you click on this button and then select an image. So I'm just going to select this image for fun, not for fun actually, but it won't work because we're actually using Google Cloud Vision API on the back end to actually filter out the image. So an image that's not trash won't actually scale through. So let me just put a quantity and then description. Say let me see some random image and then submit. Yeah, so this shouldn't work, and it didn't work as expected. But when you actually change the image to something with trash and you submit, it actually goes through and creates the alert. Yeah, so your alert is now created successfully, and you can see that on your history. Yeah, so now on the collector side, I'm going to be logging in a collector account. So I'm going to say put in the password for the collector and then log in. So for the collectors, they're going to see a map, and that map is going to show users that have created alerts. So basically, you're going to see a pop-up. It has almost the same features as the user side, but here you're just going to see a pop-up, and you can click on it and see details of the alert that was created, and now you can accept the alert. Yeah. So once the alert is accepted now, you can actually see the alert in your history. So if you go to your collections history, you're going to see the alerts you accepted, and if you go to deposits, obviously we're not creating an alert yet, so this is going to be empty. So for users now, they can actually go to their history and see that the state has changed from pending to accepted. And initially when it was pending, if you actually clicked on the details, you could actually delete the alert. There was a button here to delete, but I didn't go through that. I forgot to go through that. So but you can actually see that the state has changed to accepted, and users can now mark this alert as collected. So once they do that, it will also change on the collector side that alert has now been collected. So basically that's the way we structure the app. So users can mark it as collected, and acceptors can collect the trash. So I think that's pretty much that for the user collector side. And now we're actually going to create an alert that we're going to be testing out on the organization platform. So I'm going to select an image here, select this image, select a quantity, let's say expected delivery day 1, and then let's say 200 naira and some big trash. Yeah, and then click on submit. So once you do this, you should create the alert, and I should be able to see it on the organization platform. So once I go to the organization side, so this is the front-facing application for the organization. So when I refresh, you see this landing page, and yeah, so you can actually see some information about us, basically making things actually benefits of the community and all that. And you can see some other stuff here. So you can actually log in. So there's no sign up functionality for the front end here, for the web app, because organizations we actually sign them up manually on the back end. So you can log in here, and let me put in an email address. being and then log in. And also you have our privacy policy and terms of use. So once you log in, you will see your dashboard. So this is how the dashboard looks like. Yeah, here you can sign out, here you can view your history, you have your dashboard, and then you have the name of the business right here. And then this card is basically saying the total waste uncollected. So all the alerts, the alerts that have been created by collectors, how many of them are uncollected. Yeah, so this is showing 1, which is correct. Accepted by you, I've not accepted any alerts yet, so 0. Completed by you, 0. Total waste created by collectors is 1. Yeah, so you can actually like click on this and see a card pop up. Yeah, so this card just show you more details about the trash, and when you click on this button, it should change the state to accepted. Yeah, so it has changed the state of the alert to accepted. So now once I go back on the collector side and click on my deposits, I can see that this alert has changed to accepted. Yeah, and then I can actually like click on it, and yeah, and also when you click on accept, yeah, you actually like see that it changes. So accepted by you actually like changes, it becomes 1. Yeah, and this one turns back to 0. So now once I go back to the app, I can actually like mark that alert as collected, and once that's active, we actually like see that it changes. So completed by you becomes 1, and then total waste alert created becomes 1. Thank you.